Hello guys, I have the Roblox Studio mobile installed on my device on my iPhone, as you can see right here. And in this video I will run the Roblox Studio app on my iPhone to show you that it is really working. So that is the Roblox Studio mobile, which is working for any Android and iOS devices. So if you have an Android device, don't worry that I have an iPhone right here, because it is also working for any Android devices, and you can get it to your Android devices. So right now I will open the Roblox Studio mobile. So as you can see, it is fully working Roblox Studio mobile. I can choose all the temperatures from this list. And how to get the Roblox Studio mobile. So I've got it from this site toptweaks.pro. This is made by toptweaks.pro, and this is the emulator which emulates a computer on the phone, and I can get the Roblox Studio on any mobile device. So if you want to download the Roblox Studio mobile for any Android or iOS devices, then you should check this site, go there and find the Roblox Studio mobile, and then download it for your device. So if you have any troubles with downloading, you can check the tutorial on the site, and I think it will help you to download the Roblox Studio mobile on any Android or iOS devices. So that will be all for this video. As you can see, I got the Roblox Studio mobile on my iPhone working great. So thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day. Bye.